In front of me is Samsung Tab S10 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Then click on Emergency Contacts. Select Add Emergency Contact and click on the one that you wish to add. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need, and when you're ready, hit Done. As you can see, all of mine were successfully added. To remove one of them, use those three dots at the top right corner, hit Remove, tap on the one that you wish to get rid of, and choose this bin at the bottom. Lastly, make sure that this switcher next to Show on Lock Screen is blue, to make sure that all of your contacts will be visible on locked screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!